Hi, my name is Jessica and this is my applying oxygenation skills video. I would first gather my supplies. I would go to my patient's room. I would knock on the door. I would shut the door for privacy. I would enter the room. I would then hand sanitize. Okay, I would come in. I would introduce myself. I'd say, hi, my name is Jessica. I'm going to be your nurse for today. And then I would do my two identifiers. So I'd say, can you tell me your name and date of birth? Verifying them on the wristband. Okay, once I got that confirmation, I'd explain, Mr. Jones, the doctor has ordered you some supplemental oxygen. This is the nasal cannula, which he has prescribed. Okay, so I would then take it out of the pack. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you here how it works. Okay, so there are two prongs here. They are gonna go up under your nose, and the rest of the tubing is going to go behind each of your ears, and it's gonna go down around your chin. Okay, so first I am going to plug my nasal cannula into the verified oxygen source. Okay, I would set it to, I'm going to set it to 2, Mr. Jones, because that's what the doctor prescribed. Okay, the nasal cannula goes from 1 to 6 liters. In any case, if the provider would want you anywhere from 4 or greater as far as liters go, we would then hook you to a humidified source. Okay, but since you're at 2 liters, we don't need that humidified source. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place these under your nose, up into your nose here. Okay, like so, going around your ears. All right, we're gonna tighten this here a little bit so that it's not too tight and not too snug either. Okay, you start to become sore behind your ears, we can put gauze behind there. Okay, so just let ring and let us know, if there becomes any soreness, because we don't want any skin breakdown. Okay, all right, so the provider has now provided a different source of oxygen. So I would come back in and say, Mr. Jones, the doctor prescribed you with a non-rebreather mask. Okay, it's similar to the nasal cannula, except it's a mask with a bag. Okay, it goes over your nose, down over your mouth and chin, and there's a bag attached to the end. Okay, so now I'm going to remove your nasal cannula here. Okay, all right, and I'm going to throw this into the trash. Okay, going to, in the real world, I would hand sanitize. Okay, I get this non-rebreather mask out here. Tubing untangled. Okay, I then am going to hook this to the verified oxygen source. I'm going to set the rate to 15, Mr. Jones. Okay, that is a normal rate for non-rebreather masks. Okay, so this strap here is going to go around your head, and it's going to go around your ears. Okay, and the mask part is going to go over your nose and down under your chin. Okay, like so. Okay, and adjust it here. I'm going to pinch here a little bit at your nose to make sure that it is adjusted correctly. Okay, now with these non-rebreather masks, Okay, you may or may not see this bag deflate, but there is oxygen going, okay, in through, okay? So that's one thing to be mindful of, okay? Another thing is if you, same thing, if you develop any soreness, we can take some gauze here and do the same thing that we did with a nasal cannula and put it up and around the top part of your, behind your ear here to relieve any soreness. Also, we can put it under the bridge here, the top of your non-breather mask, to provide a little bit more cushion. And we would be checking this at least every 2 hours. But if you become uncomfortable or you feel like there's extra soreness, just ring and let us know. We can put some gauze in for you. Okay. I would then tell Mr. Jones if you have any questions. And if he didn't have any questions, I would make sure he was comfortable. I'd ask, are you comfortable? I'd give him his call bell. And then I would hand sanitize. Okay. Once I hand sanitize, I would go out and I would shut the door for privacy, and then I would document.